So, these were the wrong size, but now they're the right size. Wick, you found a guy that could do the thing.
Yeah, we lucked out on that. DNR machine.
DNR machine. Where are they at?
Anaheim.
In Anaheim. Quick turnaround, too.
Did it the next day after I dropped it off.
Nice. But yeah, they're now the size we need. So this baby's going on. And of course, it's going to be upside down. Nice job, Wilwood.
Yeah.
But maybe the other 12 bolt is like this, which doesn't make a lick of fucking sense, but
Yeah, I don't think so.
yeah.
I think the bolt pattern's the same, it's just the bearing hole's smaller.
Yeah, so Wilwood, you fucked up. Anyway.
For some reason, didn't think through that.
Yeah, so
In that picture, they show it right side up.
well, yeah, because that's the picture. That's for like photo ops.
Maybe that's the other side too. They probably realized it and they okay, let's photograph the passenger side.
Photograph the pretty one. There we go. Ooh. That's pretty damn good, man.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna find out right now when we put our axle in this bitch, though. Hot damn, look at that! What are them guys again? What's that place called?
DNR machine.
DNR Machine
Good
in
guys.
Anaheim.
Amit.
Nailed it.
Amit and Rashawn.
Amit and Rashawn.
Good dudes.
Yeah, those guys are hired.
Well, we should put a link to them in the
Video?
video.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely. You know what this means, right? Because I want to make this live sooner rather than later. I have to get all of the GTO videos done. You're going to pressure me into finally doing it.
Yeah, probably got. Well,
At least 100.
yeah. We had about a year off, I guess.
There's still ones from 2020 that aren't live.
Oh, yeah. COVID.
Yeah.
COVID
I just
was
got
a problem.
lazy. Look at that.
Pretty sweet. Dr. Location alignment has been checked. The out bolts should be secured using red lock tape. Two city in. Start by determining the best location for this.
Ooh, pretty. So should we pull these off, put the rotor on, and finalize this side and
Yeah.
have a final shot? 'Cause that looks good. Ooh, sexy. Wait, put a little smoke in there for the ambiance. Yeah.
It's all smoke and mirrors.
These are not the brakes you were looking for. So, mounted. I did have to go from 3 trims to 2. Not a big fucking deal. If you make a big deal out of it, well, you're a pain in my ass.
We got an extra shim out of it.
We have a drawer full
Open
anyway.
it, stroke 'em out much easier.